Risks. Everyone needs success in his or her life, but success never ever comes willingly. Who doesn't expect to introduce himself or herself as a successful person in the society? Perhaps all. But amongst them, there are few. But opposite of it, a great deal of individuals have been unsuccessful to reach their expected target and stay unhappy. But why is a big question. Why we have to pause on the midst of our journey? If you want the answer of it, then watch the video without skipping. Risks. Yes, risks. You have heard the right thing. If you want to become a successful person, then it is necessary to have capability to take risks. If you think it to be impossible to take the risks, then you will be unable to introduce yourself as a successful person in the society. There are such type of individuals around us who do not want to take the least risks in his life, or they may ignore my video. Apart from them, I would like to suggest all those individuals who are really aggressive to do something different in his life and want to have success must watch this video at least for once. Look, success does not come seeing any mark sheet, but it comes from hard labor only. If you do a task attentively with perseverance continually, then you will reach the peak of the success one day. It is certain, but to achieve this enjoyment of success, you must have the patience of waiting because success never comes freely in a day. Think for once, a tree doesn't bear fruits in a day. It takes time to have it, but opposite of it, what do you want? We are hurried to have fruits in the very day of planting the plant. Is it possible? No, it is quite impossible. Yes, impossible. Then what does it mean? It means we want to have fruits without taking any risks, and as a result, we are always unfortunate to have the taste of the fruits in our lives at all, as we want to have all without taking any risks and always remain unhappy in life. Unwillingness to take risks is the main cause of unsuccess. To achieve success, we are bound to take risks fearlessly. Instead of it, if we fear, then nothing will be good in our life and remain unsuccessful. Then, what to do to overcome from it? Look, each and every one of us has a master plan in our life, but we fear to implement it thinking if not succeeded after started the task. The thoughts of negativity in our brain does not allow us to proceed anymore, as the brain does not want to take risks. So we must not take any decision from our brain, but take it from our heart because the heart is always fearless to take decision as it related to our emotion, and the decision taken from heart has every chance to achieve success in life. Do remember a thing always, the brain is unable to take any right decision. It always keeps hanging regarding taking any decision, thinking of it, whether it will work or not. It always stays in an imbalanced state to take decision. Instead of it, when you take decision, listening to your heart and proceed, then we'll see that you have definitely succeeded. It is not the word of mine, but a word of scientist. The biggest thing is that the brain never decides to take risks. Let's think for once that what we think from brain, at first the answer comes can't, isn't it? Yes. The reason is it that the brain fears to take risks and fears to face failure. Therefore, to become successful, don't listen to your brain but listen only to your heart because the heart always shows the right path as the heart is always merciless to take any risks. So, take risks listening to heart, but before taking any risks, make a perfect planning so that you might reach the target. Remember it, risks without planning is very dangerous. Therefore, before taking the risks, make a perfect planning And then proceed with self-confidence, as self-confidence is the main key of success. Lack of self-confidence, you can't take any risks, and without risks, you can't reach your goal of success. So take risks with full confidence, taking a perfect planning to fulfill your dream. Moreover, you must have to rectify your behavior also to fulfill your dreams so that no any obstacle could stop you to reach the goal of success. On the way, you will have many obstacles, but don't mind, go ahead to fulfill your dreams.